Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is February 17, 2021, here in Hawaii, and I believe everywhere else in the world. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500 and also gold. I'm going to give you some of my major levels that I'm looking for on S&P, and then Wendy will give you some of the minor levels, and then we'll move over to gold, give you guys some of the levels as well. So S&P 500 has been moving in a nice downtrend since yesterday. We have resistances sitting up at 44.50, 35.50, and I got another one that was right at about 39.28. We did go through one of my main supports at 14.25 after we bounced from there, and then another main level that I had sitting up there is 39.08.75. Underneath that, I got 99.25. 90.25 and also 86.75. With that said, that is my major levels that I'm looking for, and I will hand that over to Wendy to go over the minor levels that we potentially could have within the session today.
Okay. Yeah, the market is extremely bearish. It was from the US session yesterday and also during London. It looks like it might be on its way to a recovery. I say that because I have a main support down at the 04 area, which it is currently hugging above it. Our micro peak using as support right now is at the 09 area, and it looks like the bulls like this area for a possible push up. If it goes up, it's probably going to retest the support that broke around the 17 area. If 09 can't be held as support, then it's going to go down to a main support around the 04 area for a possible bounce up. If that can't hold it, then I have one more micro level to use as the bounce up around the 97, 98 area. That was a prior peak from February 11th, used as support on February 12th. And we'll see if it wants to use it again today. But so far, the minor level at around 09 is working. And that's what I have for minors.
Perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and hop into gold here real quickly, give you guys some updates on that. You can see we did move nicely to the downside, and we are trying to pull back up here. My main level of resistance sits, actually, we could probably draw one in here just a little bit lower, kind of right where we're at. But two areas of interest for me to be looking out for right now on gold is either we're going to reject these 1782.1s and then try to pull it back down, or we're going to come up into these 86.1s and then see if we get the rejection from there. For me, I like the downside movement, but we'll see what the market gives us once we get up to these levels. So first area of interest, 1782.1, is going to be what I'm looking for some rejection off that level. If we can get that rejection, try to see if we can get the market to pull back somewhere around these either 76s or high side 78.6 is the first area you want to take some profit, and then try to push the low of support from there right down at 72.8 if it can make a new low from there. So we'll see that, but nice downtrend on gold as well, and that's what we're looking out for at this time for gold. But that's it. Let's go ahead and hop into trading, see if we got some opportunities to trade from these levels.